Okay, today we're going to look at the Neewer light kit here. We'll get it unboxed and then I'll show you what everything looks like all set up. So it comes with two big lights here, and they do take batteries if you need them to. There's one, and there is two. These are big bright lights, hopefully. And then it comes with the colored gels. Lots of different colors here: red, yellow, yellow, and blues. So you can kind of adjust your colors as you need to. Comes with the power supplies for each light. And there's two of those, just like that. And it also comes with tripod here. And we'll set that up and I'll show you how big that is. And here's the second tripod. There's two tripods. And it's got a remote control. You can control everything remotely, which is really nice. Then in these pouches, these are called Softboxes. So there's the Softbox, and they go over the light. You can see me through there. And then it's got the stuff to assemble the light. And then in here, it's got the rest of the soft to create a soft look on the light itself. So, and then you've got two of those, one for each light. And you've got this nice case here to keep everything into while you're traveling. So that's really nice and handy to have. So we'll get these set up and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, I've got all the other studio lights off, except for that one little LED back there. And we've got a little natural light coming in from the windows. I'm going to show you what both these look like. I've got them put together here. So there's that. That's on. And we can cycle through the colors. That's our brightness there. So basically this they have an LED readout. This is 10%. So we'll take it back up to full brightness. It's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There we go. Now we'll change our color temperatures. So right now we're at 56K, 54, 53, 40, 42, 37, 32. So that's the difference between the colors. So that'll be really nice. Definitely lightens up the area. It'll be great for a studio. Really customize the look of everything. And then with those gels, you can do all kinds of cool things with the colors. Yeah, these are definitely some good lights. These are definitely some good lights to pick up for your studio. I love having the remote. That way I'm going to wire some up on the ceiling, so I don't got to actually get up there and use them. So that's the plan, and I definitely recommend these.